YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I've lost my voice a bit. Yeah, don't mind how I sound. But today I want to show you guys 4 different styles you can put your locks into. And I'm talking about faux locks, real locks, any type of locks to be honest. So these are going to be 4 styles, very easygoing, nothing too strenuous. You're not going to even need a lot to do these styles. So this is past the center parts and the side swoops. We're going to be giving you real styles because sometimes we just want to spice up our hairstyles just a little bit. So if you'd like to see these 4 hairstyles, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get to the video. All right, y'all, so first style is the technically half up, half down with some on the side in the front. It's a little bit difficult to kind of explain, but we're gonna go ahead and leave the back down and leave 2 rows on the sides down and just pull our hair up in 1. This is a really nice cheeky type of style that I love to do because it's playful but still like it gives a vibe, you know what I mean? It's already given a vibe and I haven't even done anything yet. And I do have a tutorial on how I put these locks in. I actually got these locks from the Giant collection, so I will link that video in the description box down below. And in order for me to secure this, I'm going to be using a hair tie that I cut in half because it just allows me to secure the hair without snagging on anything. And it's easier, right? Because you don't have the hair going all over the place. You don't have like when you're trying to push the hair through the loop, it's not cooperating. One is being left down and the snagging, tugging, pulling and whatnot. So I just really love this method. And I love to leave it just like this without it being neat and everything in the right place. I just love it this way because again, it's a playful look. It's supposed to be effortless. And this is giving me effortless vibes, yo. And we're not done there. We're gonna be creating a little bun on top. Guys, this is one of my favorite go-to styles, especially with locks. It gives you a bohemian feel. It shows effort without the effort, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pin these up with some hairpins. And yeah, you can leave it just like this, but guys, don't worry, I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. So just bear with me. Now we're going to be adding a gold wire, a gold, whatever this is called, a rope, gold rope. Yeah, we're going to be adding that to our hair. And y'all, do you see it? Do you see it? Next level vibes. So next hairstyle, we're essentially going to be repeating the same one, but with a little bit of a difference. Well, maybe a lot of bit of a difference. So we're going to leave the 2 locks in the front out, and then we're going to be creating pigtails on each side in the front. We're going to be still leaving the back down. I love when the back is down, y'all. Like, it's just, I need it down. And also too, like, it's crochet, right? So I don't know how the back would look if everything was up. Yeah, let's not even think about that. So again, we're going to be using those hair ties that I have cut in half and just wrap that around, and we're going to be doing it on the same side. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch this, and then when we get to something else different, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is the final style in a sense, and we're gonna also revamp this a little bit too, so you guys have some sort of flexibility, some adaptability, you know, some variation. So this is the style. It looks so good. Can you guys imagine this in pictures? Oh, well, I did take pictures. So we're gonna go ahead and create those 2 buns. I believe these are called space buns in the front, and yeah, that's it. Like, I'm just gonna add buns. And the reason why I'm not going in with all the details and telling you guys exactly what I'm doing, because you guys can see, right? I'm just pinning it up with pins. And this is everything you're going to be needing for all these styles. You're going to need pins, you're going to need scrunchies or hair ties, and that's about it. And then you can choose how you want to kind of customize it. If you want to add butterfly clips, if you want to add that gold rope that I had, different color ropes, you can do that too. It's really just about how you go ahead and kind of customize it to your liking. And here we have our final look. This is fire. This is vibesy. What's vibesy? This is looking so freaking dope. All right, y'all, so this is the final one. This one was a little tricky. I kind of ran out of ideas and I was like, okay, let me just go with it. Let me go with my gut. And when I was done, I was like, yo, this isn't looking all that. But then when I was editing this video, I was like, damn, that looks really good. It's something really like, I don't know how to explain it. It's a little different. I don't know how to explain it, y'all. So basically, I'm just gonna do the same thing as I did in the first part, but without leaving the sides down. So I'm gathering up quite a bit of hair in the front and just tying that away. Now that it's all, now that it's all tied away, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hair back and kind of bend it without bending it too hard, like that. Yeah, like that. And while I was doing it, I was like, this is giving me like Erykah Badu vibes, like, I don't know. So I said, you know what, I'm just still gonna go with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pin all the locks that went to the back of this updo. I'm just pinning and pinning and pinning, making sure that, you know, they're all secure. So while I was doing all of this, there was this one lock that was there and I was like, ooh, that's a bit of a vibe. I was like, I should leave it down. And looking back now, I really should have left it down, but I didn't, y'all. I pinned it up. I don't know why, but I should have really just left it out. Because again, locks is really supposed to be a flirty type of vibes, right? And I should have left it just like this, but I didn't. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it up. But overall, the hairstyle came out really nicely. I'm really surprised. I'm really shocked. So I think I did not give you guys 4. I gave you a good amount. I gave you some variations. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All right, I'll see you guys in the next part.